8m plus m upon m equals m, then what will be the value of m? We are going to solve this equation by two methods. Let's start the solution by first method, that is 8m plus m upon m equals m. So multiplying m on both sides of the equation, we will get m into 8m plus m upon m equals m multiplies by m. We are going to remove them from the left hand side in the division, so we have to multiply m on both sides, cancel out from the left hand side. We are left with 8m plus m equals m multiplies m will be equals m squared. 8m plus m, adding both, we will get 9m equals m squared. Shifting this 9m to the other side of the equation, we will get m square negative 9m equals 0. Now taking m as common, we are left with m into m negative 9 equals 0. Now using zero product property, we can write m equals 0, that is m equals 0, and similarly for second factor m negative 9 equals 0. So we got our first value of m as 0, and for second value we can simplify it as m equals, shifting negative 9 to the other side, we will get m equals 9. So we have find out by first method as m equals 0 and m equals 9. Now we will simplify the same equation by another method, by a very shortcut method. From first method we got m equals 0 and m equals 9. Let's see what we will get by solving it by second method. Now simplifying left hand side of this question is, we have in the numerator 8m plus m, so 8m plus m will be equals 9m, divides by m equals m. Now from left hand side this m and m will cancel out and we are left with m equals 9. Simply we got a result for m equals 9 by this method in a very easy way. Let's verify the solution. From first method we got m equals 0 and 9, and from second method we got m equals 9. Now we are going to verify this result, putting back the value of m in the original question and check whether it verifies the question or not. So first we are going to put m equals 0. So 8 multiplies 0 plus 0, where there is m we will replace it by its value, divides by 0 equals 0. Now simplifying left hand side, 8 into 0 will be equals 0 plus 0, divide by 0 equals 0. Left hand side we have 0 upon 0, that is indeterminate form, undefined. So we will not consider this result, that is it is undefined, 0 upon 0 form. Now we are going to check the second solution of m, that is 9, and we will replace m by 9 in the original question, that is 8m plus m upon m equals m. So replacing m by 9, 8 into 9 plus 9 upon 9 equals 9. Now simplifying left hand side, 8 multiplies 9 plus 9 upon 9. So we can write 8 into 9 equals 72 plus 9 upon 9 equals 9. Adding 72 and 9, 81 upon 9 equals 9. 9 1 is 9 and 9 9 81. So 81 equals 9 equals 9. We have verified this solution, so we got a result for m, that is 9 as verified. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.